Zipper failures account for 70% of wardrobe malfunctions worldwide. Zipper failures are a common issue, affecting millions of people every year. From torn garments to wardrobe malfunctions, the consequences can be embarrassing and costly. But did you know that zipper failures are often preventable with simple DIY repairs? In this video, we'll explore the science behind zipper failures and provide you with easy-to-follow repair techniques. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a complete beginner, these tips will help you fix zippers like a pro. So let's dive in and explore the world of zipper repair. A zipper is a type of fastener that uses interlocking teeth to join two edges of a fabric together. The teeth are typically made of metal or plastic and are designed to slide smoothly along a track. However, when the zipper fails, it can cause a range of problems, from minor irritations to major wardrobe malfunctions. So what causes zipper failures? The most common cause of zipper failure is wear and tear. Over time, the teeth can become worn or damaged, causing the zipper to jam or break. But that's not the only reason zippers fail. Imagine a zipper as a complex machine with many moving parts. When one part fails, the entire machine can come crashing down. In this case, the failing part is often the zipper's slider or the teeth themselves. But how do you know if your zipper is failing? The first sign of a failing zipper is usually a sticking or jamming mechanism. If you notice this happening, it's essential to address the issue before it becomes a full-blown wardrobe malfunction. So let's take a closer look at the mechanics of a zipper and how to identify potential failures. A zipper works by using a combination of friction and mechanical advantage to move the teeth along the track. When the zipper is working correctly, the teeth slide smoothly along the track. However, when the zipper fails, the teeth can become stuck or jammed. But before we dive into the repair techniques, let's explore some mini cliffhangers. Did you know that the world's largest zipper is over 100 feet long? And it's not just the size that's impressive, the zipper is also incredibly strong. But back to our DIY repair techniques. The first step in repairing a zipper is to identify the source of the problem. Is the issue with the slider, the teeth, or something else? Once you've identified the problem, you can start the repair process. For a zipper repair, you'll need a few basic tools and materials. These include a zipper repair kit, a needle, and some thread. Now, let's take a closer look at the repair process. Step 1 is to remove the old zipper from the garment. This involves carefully cutting away the old zipper and its surrounding fabric. Next, you'll need to attach the new zipper to the garment. This involves sewing the new zipper into place using a strong thread. Once you've attached the new zipper, you can test it to make sure it's working correctly. If the zipper still isn't working, it may be worth consulting a professional. But with a few simple DIY techniques, you can repair a zipper like a pro. So why not give it a try and see the difference for yourself? Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a complete beginner, these repair techniques will help you fix zippers like a pro. And don't forget to subscribe for more DIY repair tips and tricks. In our next video, we'll explore the world of sewing and provide you with expert tips on how to repair a torn seam. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started on our DIY adventure. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY repair tips and tricks.